Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I have an exciting announcement for you all that own a CFMOTO Z10. You have the first Super Comp glass windshield here at Big Pine Sports. We got it mounted up. The guys are here today to test fitment and it looks awesome. They've done a great job with it. What do we love about Super Comp? Automotive glass, so it's not gonna scratch like a Lexan or a polycarbonate. It's got those massive vents on the bottom to get you a ton of airflow. You want to see how it works? Cool in the morning, leave those shut, begins to heat up during the day. You can kick those open. Passenger doesn't want air on them, no problem. Driver does, kick it open. You want to see how it works? So all you're going to do is loosen up this knob, kick that forward into whatever position that you would like, and get you that airflow. Reminds me of a wing window on a pickup truck. How does it mount? Super easy. You're gonna have one of their custom clamps here down on the roll cage, and then you're going to use the bolt up here that's gonna go into this stock mount. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. As of the date of this video, we have them in stock, ready to sell. Also, we'll post up a description and a little more information about how to make one yours. Again, 435-427-3338. Thank you so much, Super Comp, for coming up here to Big Pine Sports, getting the windshield installed. These are manufactured here in Utah. Have a great day, everybody.